We've got shining, shimmering, splendid. Hey guys, it's McGann, and I bought my first thing from Sephora in years and years, and the packaging they gave me in the store was so cute. Look at this great little striped bag. It's very Beetlejuicy. And then we have striped and gray paper that look totally awesome. Love it. And what did I buy? Why, just a little bit of blush. And yes, it was blush that was clearanced and on sale because mama's got to save that dollar. But it was such a cool box. I really wanted to get it open on camera and show everybody. Boop. I'm ripping it. No, I hate that. Why? What a world. And here's the Moon Phases, I don't know what you'd call this, a cheek palette maybe? They don't list any colors, but we've got so many cool things. I'm not sure what they're all for, but I'm excited to kind of try them all out and figure it out as I go. I love the pigments on Sephora. They're always so strong. But oh no, I've blurred my Moon Phase. Come off. We've got shining, shimmering, splendid. I'm just gonna kind of take my finger and test all these different colors out on my arm. I am still not great with swatches, so you'll have to forgive me when it looks really weird at the end. So let's see if I can figure out how to do this. Maybe I'll just have to close the flap. I started with the big one in the middle, then I went down and around counterclockwise. So we've got all these different color-y colors on here. I really like how that pink one came out with this shimmery color on top. But overall, I have no idea what I'm doing or how to properly review blush at all. So I'm just gonna call this video here. Hope you guys kind of got something out of that. We'll call it my swatch practice review, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Again, this was the Sephora Moon Phases palette, and you've been listening to McGann ramble on here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next video, I guess.